Are you crawling over here? Come here. Are you gonna come here? Yeah. Hello there. You have to get a little closer. Yeah. There she is. Hi. Come on up. There she is. Oh, what you doing? Big girl. Look at you standing. Oh, a cough. Now she's going to get down. Whoop. One of her favorite things to do is to climb through. Are you going to climb through the coffee table? Oh, she's going to stand like a big girl. Oh, you want the computer? Hello? What are you doing? Where are you going? Oh, what's over here? Oh, look. Hey, sugar. What are you doing? Hi. What are you doing? Are you standing? Say bye-bye. Where are you going? What are you doing? We see you. So busy. Where's she going? There she is. Hi. It's a little harder to climb this furniture in here, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, there she is. Okay. Bye-bye.